Meaning of indeed.
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 Indeed. Indeed is an adverb used to emphasize a statement, indicating that something is truly the case or confirming a previously stated idea. It can also be used to introduce a new point that supports a previous one. For instance, if someone says, "The sky looks beautiful today," another person could respond, "Indeed, the weather is perfect for a picnic." In essence, indeed emphasizes agreement with a statement or provides additional evidence to support a point, thus strengthening the argument being made.